Oh, my hair is falling down. I actually washed my hair, styled it, put it up in hot rollers, and I was gonna let it stay down, but it's just so warm, so I just threw it up. Doesn't look too bad. Took me about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 hours just to get ready to do filming today. I have a few unboxings I'm doing today. I'm trying to get them all done and get them up because I'm behind. So I'm going to do my Sephora play box. So if you want to see what I got this month, July 2019, please stay tuned. Well, thank you for staying tuned. This is Janice and welcome to my channel. I do beauty and lifestyles, mostly unboxings, beauty tips, favorites, my favorites. I am going to be doing some pet beauty tips here soon. I'm getting ready to get it all together here and give you some hints and tricks how to keep your pet beautiful. And anything else I can think of. This is going to just be lifestyles and beauty. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So just a reminder, please subscribe if you haven't already. Right there, down there. It's really easy. Just hit subscribe. Smash that bell so you'll be notified when I have future videos. It would just go into your inbox and say, hey, I have a new video. Want to check it out? I'd appreciate that. Also, like this video and comment. And most importantly, please share with your friends and family and not friends and everybody you know. I'm trying to get my channel to grow. I've been working on this for a few months now. Slow start. Who wants to see an old lady? I know. But it's fun. It gives me something to do. I enjoy it. So, hope you enjoy me. Okay, enough of that. I'm going to get into my play box. And this month is July 2019. It comes in a pretty little clear bag. Every month is a little different color. This month is green. I love green. It's one of my favorite colors. Green. I love pink. Green. Yeah, green's beautiful. Also, comes with a little brochure, a pamphlet, what you want to call it. And let's see here, get it open. It says Aisle of the Beauty. And it's really cute. And on the back, it tells you what you get and how much the retail is and how to use it. Hints and tips. If you don't know already, this is a beauty subscription plan from Sephora, and it's called Play. Only $10 a month. I have canceled it a couple times. Why, I don't know. I thought, I do enjoy getting it because they give me a chance to try things that I'm on the fence about. They cost a little more, but if they really work, I'm willing to do the investment. So I have really found some nice makeup and skincare through this play box. Okay. We are going to start pulling things out. And this is one of my favorite things they give us. And they generally give us 5 samples a month and they always give us an extra. The extra is usually hair care or perfume. I like the perfumes. I love the perfumes. And this month I got Prada candy. I've not tried that. I haven't even opened this. I'm anxious to try it. So I love the packaging. I mean the little packet, pink. And the bottle, the full-size bottle is beautiful. I don't buy a whole lot of perfume, but I will ask for it for gifts. If someone wants to give me a gift, my son, daughters, husband, or I just collect these samples and use them. I use them right up. So this is what this smells like. It's a spray bottle. I like to spray it on my inner arm here. Swish it around so it gets a little aeration. Gets the notes working. Just swishing around, I can smell yummy. Yes, I like it. I can usually tell pretty quickly. Product candy. Of course, I love candy. I'm a candy-aholic. Oh, it smells good. Let's see. It is a bonus, like I mentioned earlier. It's a sugar rush for your soul. This scent is a little flirty, a bit sweet, and a lot of fun. Fragrance family is warm and spicy. Oh, no wonder I love it. I love warm and spicy colognes. Love them. I had top note is white musk. Middle note is benzoin. That's a new one for me. Bottom note is caramel accord. Oh, that's nice. Sometimes I really like it. I'll go ahead and splurge, maybe get the roll-on if they have it. But I will definitely be using this up. I love cologne, perfumes. Okay, I'm not gonna bother putting that back in. It's too hard. Does it tell me the price of it? No, it does not. I have to go on Sephora and tell you. I will pull something else. So let's see here. Aha! What is this? This is by Bite Beauty. Oh, I love Bite Beauty. It's a lip crayon. It's long wearing, water resistant, high pigment, dusty mauve lip color. Is a treasure you definitely won't want to bury. Oh wow, that is pretty. I love that color. A mauve. Yeah, love this one. Oh, that is pretty. Really pretty. Alright, lipstick on. I don't have any makeup wipes. Well, it probably won't go what I'm wearing. But usually I wear things that go with this color. I just decided to go green today. Go green, yeah, go green, go state. Michigan State, yay, go green. My daughter went there. My son-in-law and I went there. My daughter graduated in veterinary school. She's a successful veterinarian. So I'm really proud of her. Okay. We will get into the bag and see what's else next. I love this bag. Alright. We pull out a jar. And it is Kiehl's. And that is a skincare. It is a fall asleep anywhere, even in a desert island with this on, and you will wake up with visibly firmer, smoother skin. Sounds like a miracle to me. Ooh. And it's a nice size. I mean, usually you can get these jars and it's like pushed up there and whoa. Okay, well, thank goodness it landed on the table. Anyways, what I was getting at, it's a nice sample size, nice deluxe sample size. Just a slight smell, a little herbally. Let's see. This hand is getting filled with swatches. Can't see it, but it feels good. This is how to use. Apply quarter size amount to cleanse skin before bed and leave it on while you catch those Z's. In the morning, cleanse skin to remove the mask. Oh, it's a night mask. I like night mask. I like night mask. Probably one of my favorites. Just like wearing night cream, basically. Really no different. Just a fancy way of saying night cream. Okay. We will keep pulling out here. And what else we have? This is by Coors. This is a Greek yogurt firming cream cleanser. No soap, no problem. This cream to foam cleanser uses skin nurturing Greek yogurt to wash away makeup and impurities. It moisturizes the skin and delivers essential amino acids. Has honeysuckle. It provides an antibacterial benefits. And I can see this. Amethyst seed extract calms the skin. So that's a real nice cleansing cream. I'm happy to get that. I would definitely throw this in my overnight bag. Let's see. I think, yeah, it's safety sealed. I don't want to open it because I do have quite a few of these sample cleansers, and it seems like this summer we're getting a lot of cleansers. Nothing wrong with that. We always use them. And if I don't use it, I will put it in a giveaway or gift it. Alright, next, there's two more things. Oh, wow, this is by Becca. Becca is a wonderful brand. This is a shimmering skin perfector press highlighter in champagne pop. I think I might have this already. I think I got it in an Allure about a year ago. I will check. But I'm still happy to get it because I got this size. So it's nice to have. I'm not going to swatch it just in case I want to give this away. But Becca has beautiful, beautiful highlighters if you don't already know. This is a Pinky Peach highlighter. It delivers a flare so bright you'll be seen by rescue planes. Yeah. Or maybe just look really good in selfies. Yeah, that's more like it. This is how to use. Apply anywhere you want a touch of radiance, like your cheekbones and the bridge of your nose, and then sit back and bask in your glow skin. Becca's nice. I have quite a few items from that brand, and I do love Becca. And last but not least, we will point out a hair care, which I really do love this brand. It's living proof. I've used their shampoos and conditioners and styling cream and hairsprays. And I do use it for thick, coarse hair. Let's see what this one's for. This is a hair and scalp shampoo. Okay. It looks like it's got charcoal in it by the color here. I'll show you here in a minute what the pamphlet says. When you want to keep hair cleanser for longer, use this non-stripping shampoo that removes buildup from product, pollution, hard water. How to use: swap in for regular shampoo as needed. For hard water buildup removal, let it sit 2 minutes before rinsing. Okay, so it's like a nice clarifying shampoo, basically, what they're saying. But by the picture, it looks like it may have charcoal in it. I don't know. I usually give these types of products to my sister because she has a much oilier scalp than me. I have a dry one. But we'll see. I may keep it and try it. She gets a lot of my hand-me-downs. That's what sisters are for. Alright, this is a really nice box this month. I'm really quite pleased. And if I haven't mentioned already, this is only $10 a month. You can cancel anytime, which I have done a few times, and then resubscribed because I miss it. And they have 5 sample deluxe size products, sometimes full size. Do I have full size here? Not really, but this bite is pretty close to full size. I don't really want anything more than that because I have so many lipsticks and lip pencils. I can't use them all. I just did a purge and gave away 2 or 3 boxes of lip products to my family. They were happy. They like when I do that. Alrighty, so I refresh your memory. We got the Bite Beauty lip crayon, the Living Proof Perfect Day shampoo. We got the Prada Candy perfume sample, the Kiehl's face mask, and the foaming cleanser by Coors. And last but not least, the Becca. Really nice bag. Nice subscription plan if you want to try something that's very affordable. I will link it below if you decide you want to try it. If you get it already, do you like it? Do you enjoy it? And let me know what you got. I would like to know. I'm curious like that. And we all can learn from each other. I learn a lot from other YouTube ladies on here and gentlemen. I've learned so much the past 4 or 5 years just from watching the makeup channels and beauty channels and lifestyle channels. Things I never knew. I thought I knew everything. No. Oh, forgot to mention, they do give you a card. It's worth 50 points. So when you go to their store or online and do a purchase, you get 50 extra points for a purchase. And if you know anything about their point system, you collect so many points, you can turn them in, and they have different things you pick from, different samples or products that you can get for free. So I always take advantage of that. Alrighty then, I think that's it. Again, subscribe, like this video, smash that bell for future notifications of when my next video will be out. It will tell you. And comment and share this video. Thank you, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.